Hey Sam. How's it going today?
Hi Alex. I'm doing well, thanks. What are we learning today?
Today, we're diving into the word
typisch,
typisch,
What does that mean?
typisch,
means typical, standard, or characteristic. It's often used to describe something that is usual or representative of a particular group. The most common meaning is typical.
That's interesting. Are there any false friends I should watch out for?
Yes, there is. In English,
typikal,
can sometimes imply something negative, while in German,
typisch,
is more neutral. It can be used positively or negatively depending on the context.
Can you tell me more about the grammar of?
typisch,
Sure,
typisch,
is an adjective, so it doesn't have a plural form like nouns do. When you compare it, you would say,
typischer,
for the comparative and,
am typischsten,
for the superlative.
So, if I wanted to say this is typical, I would say.
das ist typisch.
Exactly. And you could also say,
das ist typischer als das andere.
for this is more typical than the other.
Where does the word
Typisch.
come from?
Great question.
Typisch,
Comes from the Greek word,
typos,
which means a model or a pattern. It evolved through Latin and into German. It reflects how we often use it to point out something that represents a standard form.
That's fascinating. I love learning about the history of words.
Let's break down.
typisch,
It doesn't have a prefix or suffix, but you can think of it as a single Lego block.
So it's like a standalone piece.
Exactly. It's not a compound, so it's more straightforward.
Are there similar words that I should know?
Absolutely. Here are some examples. First, we have
typisch,
itself. Then there's,
typisieren,
which means to typify. You can also look at,
typografie,
which means typography.
That's interesting.
There's also,
typischerweise,
meaning typically, and,
Stereotyp,
which means stereotype. They all share the root,
Typ,
which relates to types or models.
I see the connection.
Other examples include,
Muster,
which means pattern,
Modell,
meaning model, and,
Standard,
meaning standard. These words all relate to the idea of something being typical or representative.
Can you give me some real-life situations where I might use?
typisch,
Of course. Imagine you are discussing food in Germany. You could say,
Das ist ein typisches deutsches Gericht.
which means that is a typical German dish.
Let me try.
das ist ein typisches amerikanisches Gericht.
For that is a typical American dish?
Perfect. Another situation is when talking about behavior. You might say,
Das ist typisch für ihn.
meaning that is typical for him.
Oh, I like that one. So, I could say,
Das ist typisch für sie.
for that is typical for her, right?
Exactly. Lastly, if you're talking about a situation, you could say,
Typischerweise passiert das im Sommer.
which means typically, this happens in summer.
I'll try.
Typischerweise passiert das im Winter.
For typically, this happens in winter.
Great job.
How do I remember that?
Typisch,
Is an adjective.
A good hint is that it ends with,
Ich,
which is common for German adjectives.
That makes sense.
You can also picture a typical German meal, like sauerkraut, to make it memorable.
Are there any specific usage notes for?
typisch,
Yes,
typisch,
is quite neutral, but the tone can change based on how you say it. Some typical collocations are
typisches Verhalten,
for typical behavior,
typische Eigenschaften,
for typical characteristics, and
typischer Fall.
for typical case.
Are there any similar sounding words I should avoid confusing?
Definitely. Don't confuse it with
Typisch,
and,
typisch für.
which means typical of. Let's do a quick recall check. What is the meaning of
Typisch,
It means typical.
good? Can you give me the comparative form?
It's
typischer,
Correct. What's a sentence using
typisch,
das ist typisch.
great? What's the origin of the word?
It comes from Greek.
Typos,
Exactly. And finally, can you give me a situation where you would use it?
das ist ein typisches deutsches Gericht.
Fantastic, Sam. Today we've learned about
typisch,
its meanings, history, and usage.
I feel like I have a much better grasp of it now.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and remember to look for opportunities to use
typisch.
in your conversations.
I will. Thanks, Alex.